transactions in the year, nearly matching the population of India, a scale that only reinforces our ability to grow profitably. Besides these inherent strengths, our confidence in achieving 20% plus CAGR is grounded in 8 growth enablers, each with measurable proof of performance. First, we know the Indian consumer better than anyone. Our unmatched insights are drawn from scientific data mining, from billions of real transactions across every state, every income segment, and every lifestyle pattern. This is why formats like Fresh Signature in Tier 2 cities and the introduction of exotic fruits into mainstream grocery have taken off so quickly. Second, our product development engine is creating powerful own brands such as Independence in grocery, Avasa in fashion, and Kelvinator in electronics. These brands deliver global quality at Indian prices. They not only expand our margins, but also deepen consumer loyalty. Third, our superior sourcing ecosystem is a strategic advantage. From farm to fork in grocery to a 30-day mine-to-shelf cycle in fashion, we can move products from concept to consumer faster than our competitors, while enriching farmers, artisans, tribal communities, designers, small suppliers, and logistics partners. It gives me special happiness to mention that we are sourcing more products from women-led enterprises. Fourth, our omnichannel architecture integrates the best of digital and physical retail, maximizing consumer delight. Whether through smart carts, self-checkout, AI kiosks in stores, or the endless aisle of JioMart online, we offer convenience, choice, and consistency to customers across every touchpoint. Fifth, our unsurpassed market reach of nearly 20,000 stores is supported by India's largest tech-enabled supply chain, which enables 10-minute quick commerce in metros and scheduled deliveries in remote villages alike. This reach is a moat that is hard to replicate at scale. Sixth, we empower India's 42 lakh merchants, kiranas, traders, and HoReCa businesses through our B2B formats Metro and JioMart Digital, giving them access to products, technology, and financing. Kiranas have always been the backbone of India's local economy and an integral part of our neighborhood communities. We ensure that Kiranas and other merchants grow first so that we grow along with them. Hence, ours is a growth model of partnership and shared prosperity. Seventh, our tech-led capabilities, from AI-driven demand forecasting to robotics-enabled warehouses. This allows us to scale with precision and efficiency, ensuring profitability even in aggressive growth phases. Eighth, our people. 2.5 lakh strong, our people are the soul of Reliance Retail. They're trained, empowered, motivated, and mandated to deliver. Last year, we invested over 45,000 man-hours in their skill development across new competencies like AI, ensuring our talent stays ahead of market trends. For the 4th consecutive year, we have been certified as a great place to work, a recognition of the high-trust, high-performance culture that fuels our execution. All these strengths translate directly into guaranteed and growing profitability across our segments. Dear friends, another factor that puts our retail business on a growth runway is that we are operating in categories where growth is continuous and non-cyclical. In grocery, we sold 18 crore liters of milk, 14 crore liters of cold beverages, 11 lakh metric tons of staples, and 3.8 lakh metric tons of fruits and vegetables last year. The category will grow through large format expansion, hyperlocal quick commerce, and subscription services. In fashion and lifestyle, Jio has grown 7 times in the last 5 years. New formats like Yousta and Azort are capturing younger audiences. And our Shein partnership brings global fashion to India at affordable prices. Tira is not just redefining beauty in India, it is inspiring confidence, creativity, and self-expression for an entire generation. Swadesh connects thousands of artisans to mainstream retail, turning heritage into an opportunity. In consumer electronics, we grew 3 times faster than the market. Our rescue after-sales service now operates in over 300 cities. Acquiring the Kelvinator IP strengthens our consumer durables range. And JioMart continues to expand across quick commerce, scheduled delivery, and subscriptions, while JioMart Digital helps small retailers match the service levels of modern trade. Our supply chain, powered by automation, AI, and robotics, is designed to deliver reliability at any scale. Dear shareholders, Reliance Retail is not just participating in India's consumption boom. We are propelling it. And we are doing so with the discipline and confidence that comes from funding growth through strong internal cash flows. This is why 20% plus CAGR is not just achievable, it is a target we're going to surpass. We have the market, we have the model, we have the means, and most importantly, we have the mindset to make it happen. With your trust and support, we will continue to fuel India's retail story and light the way to a brighter, more prosperous future for all our stakeholders. Dear shareholders, let me now turn to one of our most promising growth engines, our consumer products business. Reliance Consumer Products Limited is set to become a direct subsidiary of Reliance Industries. This will consolidate our consumer brands into a single, sharply focused company. Let me explain the benefits of this decision. First, India's consumer market is a $2 trillion high-growth opportunity, expanding at over 8% annually. We need a strategic approach to seize this opportunity. Second, our 350 million middle-class households have a combined purchasing power exceeding 100 lakh crores. They represent 600 million digitally native and increasingly brand-conscious consumers who seek premium experiences at affordable prices. Third, for the first time in India's history, rural markets consisting of 900 million consumers are driving 65% of FMCG growth. They are adopting global quality branded products faster than urban markets, with penetration growing at 35% annually. This combination of a rising middle class and accelerating rural adoption marks an unmissable consumption opportunity. Fourth, RCPL is not just observing this transformation, we are shaping it by becoming a manufacturing company to deliver global quality products at Indian prices. RCPL as a separate company will give this business the independence to focus exclusively on its markets, products, and customers without competing for management bandwidth. It will provide the agility to respond quickly to changing consumer trends and competitive dynamics. It will also allow us to attract the best talent in the industry, offering them a clear mandate and an exciting growth platform. This structure will enable sharper execution, faster innovation cycles, and deeper operational focus, all critical to winning in consumer markets. Our performance already speaks volumes about our ability to capture this opportunity. In just 3 years, RCPL has achieved what took other companies decades. Last year alone, we had revenues of 11,500 crores, making us the fastest growing FMCG player in India. Campa Cola now holds double-digit market share across many states, breaking a 30-year MNC duopoly. Campa Energy gained 2 million social media followers in just 90 days, faster than established brands with decades of presence. Our daily essentials brand Independence has crossed 1,000 crore in revenue. We started in India, have entered West Asia, Sri Lanka and Nepal, and are now also exporting to West Africa. Our target is to enter at least 25 countries in the next 12 months, building an Indian consumer brands powerhouse with global reach. We believe that Brand India will shine bright globally when Indian consumers and tech brands conquer the global markets. Our competitive strength rests on 4 pillars. The first is deep tech innovation. We have established a 150,000 square foot R&D hub with over 100 scientists and 15 patents filed. Its mandate is clear: better than market quality, first to India products, and first to world innovations. The second is manufacturing scale. We have invested 3,000 crores in 12 state-of-the-art facilities equipped with Industry 4.0 technologies, achieving the highest efficiency rates in Indian FMCG. Over the next 3 years, we will invest 40,000 crores to create Asia's largest integrated food parks with AI-driven automation, robotics, and sustainable technologies, securing lasting cost leadership. The third is distribution reach. In just 18 months, we have reached 1.5 million outlets, 5 times faster than any competitor in Indian FMCG history. Our omni-channel network will cover 95% of India's population through retail, digital, and B2B channels. Our signature partner program offers higher retailer margins, enrolling over 10,000 new partners every month. Our integrated marketing across cricket, entertainment, and digital platforms reaches 800 million Indians, creating matchless brand visibility. And fourth, at the heart of this is our people. we're attracting the best talent across categories and functions, is only just the beginning. This FMCG raw revenue within 5 years. Our long-term ambition is to become India's largest FMCG company with a global presence. This will make RCPL a big new value-creating engine for Reliance Industries, comparing it to a retail business in both size and profitability. Thank you. I now invite our chairman back onto the stage.
Thank you, Isha. Dear shareholders, let's applaud Isha and the entire retail team for their superlative achievements. Isha has presented a truly ambitious growth path for our retail and consumer products business. We will achieve these ambitious goals by riding India's growth wave, powered by technology and driven by our passion to create products that inspire loyalty and love. Dear shareholders, now we turn to our energy business. Let me invite Anand to present the progress of our E&P, oil to chemicals, and new energy businesses. This is the first time he is addressing you at a Reliance AGM. I am as excited as all of you to see him make a debut on our AGM platform.
Most esteemed shareholders, our respected chairman, my honorable seniors and friends, aap sabko mera pranam. Jai Shri Krishna. My dear friends, it is my proud privilege to present our performance and plans of our energy and materials business. Our exploration and production business is a cornerstone of India's energy security. It contributes nearly 30% of the nation's natural gas output. As you know, natural gas is vital to India's clean and green energy transition. In the financial year 25, exploration and production delivered a record EBITDA of 21,188 crore. This was driven by higher output from both Krishna Godavari Basin and coal bed methane. KG-D6 production rose 4% to 28 million metric standard cubic meters per day of gas and 21,000 barrels of oil per day. We plan to add more new wells in the next fiscal. In the KG Basin, we are advancing infrastructure-led exploration with fresh drilling scheduled for 2026. CBM output increased by 30% to 0.8 MMSCMD. This was powered by India's first 40-well multilateral drilling campaign. A second campaign is already underway. We are embracing deep tech in every part of E&P. Our digital operations control center, engineering twins, and process twins set new benchmarks in safety, reliability, and operational excellence. Dear shareholders, I am pleased to present the performance of our oil to chemicals business. This is not merely a legacy business. It is the backbone of Reliance's transformation into an integrated energy company, positioned for the next decade of global energy evolution. The past year brought extraordinary complexity in global energy markets. Supply chain disruptions, trade shifts, and petrochemical overcapacity posed major challenges. In this dynamic environment, Reliance delivered industry-leading performance. This demonstrates the resilience of our integrated model. Our success rests on advantages unique to us: operational excellence, feedstock flexibility, supply chain agility, deep market reach, technology-driven innovation. Our operational excellence is evident in 100% capacity utilization, far higher than the global average of 80%. This directly translates into superior capital returns, and it validates the strength of our model. Dear friends, our refineries processed a record 72.2 million tons of crude in the year 25. Our petcoke gasification complex also delivered record output. Our diversified crude basket of over 250 grades gives unmatched flexibility. It allows us to adapt rapidly to market volatility and optimize processing margin. These achievements powered 11% revenue growth to 6,26,921 crore and EBITDA of 54,988 crore. These strong margins prove our ability to deliver returns even under the most volatile environment. Dear friends, our net carbon zero commitment by 2035 is not just a business pledge. It is our commitment to protect Mother Earth from the climate crisis. Our SEZ refinery has been recognized as the world's most energy efficient facility. Across facilities, we are shifting to clean fuels. Our efficiency programs have delivered 10 million gigajoules of energy savings in 3 years. Our circular economy initiatives, waste plastic pyrolysis, biomass fuels, hydrogen, make Reliance a leader in sustainable materials. This is a strong competitive advantage as sustainability drives value creation. Friends, hydrocarbons will remain vital for India for several years. Our strategy is clear. Excel in traditional energy while building the system of the future. We are developing an integrated portfolio spanning conventional fuels, biofuels, green hydrogen, and clean solutions. Our three-pillar strategy is firm. Deepen feedstock integration, convert commodities into specialty chemicals, and accelerate green chemistry leadership. Our capital allocation is disciplined, with growth aimed at superior returns. We are investing 75,000 crore in new projects as follows. In Nagothane, Maharashtra, 1.2 million ton PVC plant. In Dahej, Gujarat, an expanded CPVC and 3 million ton PTA facility. In Palghar, Maharashtra, a 1 million ton specialty polyester facility. These projects are positioned to meet India's rising demand. Our Hazira carbon fiber facility will be among the world's largest. It will serve the aerospace, defense, and advanced materials industries. Friends, our oil-to-chemical strategy anticipated today's dynamics. With the convergence of energy and materials, the premiumization of petrochemicals, and integrated feedstock optimization, we have created a resilient, future-ready platform for sustained value creation. We consistently outperform global peers across cycles. This proves the strength of our execution and positioning. Our integrated platform technology leadership and strategic partnerships uniquely position Reliance. We are committed to delivering superior shareholder returns through every energy cycle. Dear friends, let me also update you on the progress of Jio BP. Over the past year, Jio BP has strengthened its position as one of India's fastest growing fuel and mobility players. We have expanded our retail network to serve customers across key highways, urban hubs, and growth corridors. We have introduced differentiated fuels with active technology, delivering better mileage and engine performance. Our EV charging and swapping infrastructure has grown rapidly, making Jio BP a trusted partner in India's pivot to electric mobility. We are working closely with fleet operators, last-mile delivery companies, and urban transport systems to offer integrated energy solutions. We will continue to expand our network, scale our EV infrastructure, and introduce new green fuels, including biofuels and hydrogen. Jio BP will play a vital role in powering India's mobility needs while driving the transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future. My dear shareholders, let me now turn to the most ambitious and transformational mission of Reliance in this decade, our new energy business. When our chairman unveiled this vision last year, he spoke about three convictions. First, that India must lead the new energy revolution. Second, that India must achieve true energy self-reliance. And third, that India must emerge as a global leader in new energy. I am happy to share with you in the past 12 months, this vision has moved from ambition to execution. We are making a tangible and rapid progress. We are building the world's most integrated new energy ecosystem, from sand to electrons to green molecules, at a scale unmatched anywhere in the world. Our AI-driven smart gigafactories are designed to be future-proof, keeping Reliance ahead in technology, ahead in cost efficiency, and ahead in reliability. Products from the gigafactories would be deployed for delivering round-the-clock renewable power and producing green chemicals, including green ammonia, e-methanol, and sustainable aviation fuel. With immense pride, I can say that Reliance will be the world's only fully integrated, self-sufficient company in new energy. Dear shareholders, at Jamnagar, work on the Dhirubhai Ambani Giga Energy Complex is progressing.
So, all right, that's the Reliance AGM underway, and a lot of these exciting announcements that the company has made. Firstly, with respect to the Jio IPO, wherein the timeline has finally been given for the first half of 2026. Other than that, the retail side of the business, that's expected to grow at a CAGR of 20% over the next 3 years, and the company is quite confident of surpassing that growth target. But the excitement remains to be the AI side of the business as well, not just a collaboration with global honchos with respect to Meta as well as Google. But other than that, the company has also set up a different subsidiary regarding that. So Reliance AGM underway. What as we see on the stock price as well, that is not seem to be taking it that nicely. The stock is down indeed, but the long-term growth targets is what the company has been talking about. But